Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kabria Darshay and I am back with a hair tutorial featuring insert name here. So first thing I'm going to do is take my leave-in conditioner by Elastic QP and just add that to my natural hair to get a more silky smooth look. Now I'm going to take my Hicks edge control and I'm going to apply it to my edges using my toothbrush. I did damp this a little bit just because I feel like I love the effect, I guess you could say, or the end result that it gives when I'm applying my edge control. Now I'm going to take all of my hair and I'm going to put it in a high ponytail, and then I'm going to wrap all my hair around to put it in a bun. Now here is the insert name here. So it comes in this little pouch, which I think is really cute. You can leave, your hair in there once you're finished. And then it comes in like that protective seal, which I absolutely love. So this is the Ponytail Shayla that I'm going to be applying to my head. So basically what you're going to do is, you see that little clip, you're going to apply that to, I guess you could kind of say the base or the middle of technically your head. And then you're just going to wrap that whole piece around your ponytail or your bun to make sure that, it's not showing. And then you're going to take this separate piece of hair which has Velcro on it, and you're going to wrap that around the entire ponytail to really not show your real hair. And as you see in this video, you can do that and then just can be completely done. However, I just took an extra measure and added an extra layer of hair to really make it seem very, very natural. So now I'm going to take some spritz spray and I'm just going to spray that around that piece of hair that I wrapped my ponytail, just to kind of basically set it. And then I'm going to take some Cream of Nature leave-in condition spray and spray that on my actual ponytail just to give it some extra shine. Alright guys, and this is the final look. The ponytail is like super amazing. I will use it forever and ever, and I'll make sure to leave the link in the description below.